what I want to know,
Yeah.
can the breakout be bullish or bearish?
Exactly. It can be on both sides.
On both sides. Okay.
Yes. It can
Okay,
be.
so
It can be bullish. You can either break up or break down. They are all breakouts.
Okay. And then another one you talked about, you said you pick up trade early by looking for major support. I actually don't get area.
You pick up trades early by following the trends on time. And that should be from major supports. Most of the time, you pick it from major support, except you have counter information, as in some major information that can happen, and then there'll be a normal rush in the market that maybe your coin might not drop to a support price. It can be an abnormal move, and then it will just pick the market from anywhere. But normally, an ideal normal market, traders do buy from only support and sell at resistance points. Most traders know that one. Even you as a trader, real life, when you want to buy something as a trader, you want to buy, maybe you sell phones and you want to buy it at 3,000 naira or whatever your currency is, you buy it, and then you have a certain price in your area, your sell price each time you are buying. That's exactly how it is for trade. Your chart is just showing you those things in pictorial form so that you see buyers buy at so price and they sell at so price. That's what traders do. The remaining prices are for retailers. Maybe somebody like today I converted dollar, and converted it to my local currency. I did all that regardless of what the price is, because I want to use it for something. Retailers, they can do it at any price, but somebody that is a trader, what you do, you are buying at a certain price and you have an expected price to sell, which is your resistance price to buy from your support. Hope you understand me now.
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Okay, good.
Then I would like you to touch something on how to keep our balance or our accounts in every market condition.
Okay, that's a portfolio management.
Yes.
Actually, I'm supposed to take that a full day class. Maybe that's what we'll touch tomorrow, the portfolio management.
Okay, all right.
I'm going to talk on how to get coins really early. How to pick your 10x, 100x coins very early. Very, in fact, what I teach most of the time is what I experience regularly, because I'm into blockchain full time. I don't do any other work than blockchain technology. Doing everything I do is about the blockchain, about cryptos. That's my work. So when I'm teaching, I'm telling you based on experiences how it is done. So this class is not your regular class you see people teaching. It's not that way. Oh, Chiamaka, you write a lot. I like it. So that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about today. So people that missed today's class, their business, maybe Chiamaka will do some writing again for them. They'll be taking summaries. So right now, I'll talk about it. then we are going to still, but before then, we had something we discussed last time. We talked about securities. We're talking about securities. And we said we are going to talk about the Go Plus. Go Plus will help you most of the time to pick good coins, quality coins, because in crypto, like I told you guys, a lot of the time people fall into scam. Usually what makes people fall into scam is greed. When you want to make 1 million X, you're just greedy for gain. Meanwhile, the crypto industry is just like your normal trading. You buy, you have a price you want to sell. You buy some undervalued projects, and then you are expected to sell at a certain price to make profits. If you like any of your friends, invite them to come to this class. It's going to be very, very good. So I'm telling you guys today is not regular information. So that's how it is. You buy coins to make good profit. But even as you're planning to get those coins to make profit, the same way scammers are getting ready to take your money. People making coins are planning to make fake ones too, to take the money. It cannot be so, it will not be good you are planning to get into crypto and you get bad experiences. It makes the industry look like everything is bad. Everything is filled with scammers. In fact, some people will say crypto is advanced Yahoo business. That's what a lot of people say because of bad players, and it's so much among people here in Africa. A lot of scammers are here, and they do it because of loss of ignorance. So that's why you need to have information. The more information you have in crypto, the more you get to beat the market. And trust me, by the time I finish this class today, you know that it's not all about drawing lines and picking support and resistance, drawing head and shoulder, cup and handle pattern, this and that. Trust me, I've done those things very well. I still do them very, very well. But it's not all about that. It's about getting to know everything about the industry. Know it very well and know how to beat the market, not just knowing theories. Know it, experience it, and know how to beat the market so you'll be profitable. The end of the whole thing is for you to make money out of this market. It's not to come and learn TA or learn go to several classes. The end of it is are you making money out of this market? Or you are just there drawing lines and then posting different things online. No, it's not all about that. It's about doing the right thing. So, number one, okay, let's take it one by one, gradually. Look at Go Plus, this thing, website. This is everything Go Plus does. If you see any other thing, apart from wallets, they have a wallet. This is how you pick a project that will give you money, that will give you good money. Number one, most of the time, you look for a project that has real life, they solve real life solutions, they provide real life solutions. Real life solution is that those people, what they do, they have a real service that people need. Something like Go Plus now, BNB, Chainlink, all these things, they have serious solutions they bring to the ecosystem. But there are some coins, like there are some coins that you hear, okay, Back then, we heard of coins like Dogecoin. There are meme coins just for fun or something. There are so many. Wakanda in.
Sorry, host, but we can't see your screen.
Wow, you guys can't see my screen. Oh, I thought you were seeing my screen.
Yes,
sorry.
no, we have not been seeing the screen. We thought you are just analyzing.
Okay, now my screen is up. Can you see it now?
Yes, we can view it now.
Yes, sir, it's showing.
Thank you for observing. I didn't know you were not seeing my screen. I was just thinking you were seeing it.
No,
okay.
we are not.
Right, let's go on. So this is all Go Plus does. This is everything they are doing. So you can see, like, if you see different products in crypto, like you have Chainlink now. Chainlink, they are there. Like, I don't know. Have you heard of Chainlink before?
No, sir.
No,
we have not.
You know
no, we have not.
BNB, right? How about
Yes,
BNB? Have you heard of BNB?
Yes,
we have
we have
heard of
heard about
Yes.
BNB on Binance.
Okay, good. BNB, what does BNB do? BNB is like the exchange coin, what you use in paying for fees in Binance. Number one, work. When you create a currency or something, currency means value. So when you have a crypto, it should be creating, as in containing value. Any crypto you have, it should represent value. BNB, the value it does is they use it to pay for fees in Binance. Imagine the millions of people all over the world using it to pay fees. Each time you buy, you sell, there's a certain amount that goes out from your BNB account, and then Binance takes it. So because you use BNB to pay fees, it has utility. Since it had, people spend it, people use it. The more people get that coin, the more the price of the coin will increase. Hope you understand. So that is how BNB prices goes up. But now BNB has gone beyond just exchange coin. That's why you see that coin goes up and up and up and up. Because there was a time it was even $5, even far less. $0.1. BNB was cheap. But the more they started adding utility to the coin, the more the value kept increasing. It kept growing up, up to it went to close to $700 during the bull run. The same BNB you are seeing into something now. BNB was used then for, it's still used for, they have card system. People use the BNB card to pay for anything in restaurants, different places. People use BNB to they have a blockchain called BNB chain. Because of that now, the BNB is still used by developers, to pay for their fees also and create coins on BNB chain. So these are utilities. There are a lot, many things everywhere. Anything CZ is doing, most of the time, they are relating it. They are paying with BNB. When you want to develop a coin on BNB chain, now they'll tell you must develop it with BNB pair. That is to say, you have, if it's CRO coin or Wakanda coin you want to develop in BNB chain, to tell you must have a pair that people will be using BNB to buy. All these things are utilities for that very coin. And since people keep buying like that, people keep using that very coin, the value of the coin will be increasing for the holders. That's why you see your utility is like directly proportional to the price of the particular asset or coin you are studying about or you want to hold. So that's just how it is. So when you see a coin and you want to go into it, you must check for the utility. Real life utility. You need to understand it like normal business, not just jump in because somebody called or you saw it, you like the way they wrote it wing. Oh, that wing has pumped before. Let me go and buy wing. It's going to fly like bird. And yeah, it doesn't work like that. You need to make sure you understand what it does so that you'll be able to run when maybe let's say, for example, now BNB is a blockchain, then something happened. And they said, when people are running from BNB, they are no longer going to buy BNB because the blockchain got hacked. What do you think will happen? BNB price will fall. So that's how people that are traders, you need to be following your projects on different fronts. Make sure you get the information on time. Follow it on different fronts. Sorry. You follow it based on your technical analysis, which you know, and also follow it also based on your fundamentals. Be there on time. Follow them bomber to bomber. There's no businessman that will be trading something that will relax, and then you don't care whether your product is still needed. You just, what you do, you just wake up at any time, you buy anything. No, you will not succeed if you are not up to date with information. So everything is all about information. It's not just about drawing lines. I can teach you guys all the lines today. I'm bringing you guys into my world of crypto. You can teach you all these lines today, lines and all the candles and everything. You learn, is good. They are very good indications. It will show you, give you information on short time, long time, how to use it. But if you need to make quick bucks, money, the real money that will bust your account, my brother, my sisters, everybody, you need to put your eyes down and make sure you get information. So, number one, you must find out the utility of the very asset. So, as another example now, look at Go Plus now. There's no coin for this product right now, but in the future, they are going to have coin. What they do now is this. They have, I'm going to tell you guys more on how to spot projects very, very much early. So that by the thing that gives money in crypto is when you spot a project early. And then you just put in, sometimes you just put in $50. $50 gives you $100,000. It happens. I know a lot of people that have bought houses, done a lot in their lives with crypto based on getting into projects very, very early. It's because they know these things, or some were lucky, but the lucky ones, sometimes at the end of the day, they won't know when to take profit, and then the money goes back back to the owners. So better you learn very well. Hope you guys are in this class. I'm not hearing any voice today.
Yes, sir.
We are following you, sir.
We are listening to you. We are with you, sir.
Okay. Where is Scar? Scar, I've not heard your voice today. Oh yeah.
At least
I'm listening, Coach. I'm here. I'm listening.
Yeah.
At least I had where you can put $50 and then like $100,000.
My
Yeah,
both ears opened. Why?
okay, your ear is open right now.
As if the opportunity is your face this night.
Before Bidna, even though you did not hear anything, I know that that 50 to 10,000 will not pass you by.
Mr. Miller, we have.
Oh my God.
I like your spirit, boss. Well done.
Thank you very much. Mad Lumo, I've not heard your voice. I need to be hearing everybody's voice. Mad Lumo.
Playing keyboard there. If you have it.
Okay. All right. Can you guys still hear me? I want to go on.
Yeah, you can carry on, coach.
Okay. Good.
Please, can that person put off their keyboard? All right, I think it's off now.
Okay. Okay. Patience. All right. So now a lot of projects come on and they keep building. And the ones that are really solid, they will build and build safely, and they are building something that will last. And they will make it something that has real utility. They build it, and people will use their product very well. But the ones that are not good, like there was one, a friend of mine came, and she was just, in fact, when they built the coin, she stays in the UK. They built the coin. In fact, they were just busy dancing, playing, showing their money. In fact, I'm a Silonia, I'm a billionaire in dollars. They're just showing wealth, telling people, if you want to make money, go and buy my coin. Yeah. And at the end of the day, they were just there to grab money from every other person. And at the end of the day, they will just tell you, oh, sorry, the money has gone. Because the people that they will catch are people that are just looking for pump. They want their money to grow high, without considering what service does this coin render? What utility does this coin have? They are not checking. What they do is they just want return on investment. People like that end up losing out and creating what they call the liquidity for others to run away with. Don't be that person. Be the person that will enter early on good projects. I've always said it. You don't need to invest in so many projects before you blow in crypto. You just need a few projects. So that brings us to Go Plus Security. Go Plus Security, as you can see, is open, it's permissionless, anybody can use it, it's user-driven, it's a security service. It's a security service for everyone. It's just like somebody creating. Who is disturbing me here? Christos and Olumighty, please mute yourself, or you will be sent out. Okay. All right, so we said it's open, it's permissionless, anybody can use it. As you are right now, you can go and take Go Plus Security, and then if you have a product you are building, you can include it as a security tool. Like you can you can use this to check to be checking good coins. If your coin is not okay, it's not going to accept it. It's going to tell you the risk of that particular coin. Okay, let's say, look at this. You can actually check for coins, the security level of a particular coin. Let's say, look at, you have tokens. Look at this. I clicked on token this thing now. And then you can see BSC here. It supports different network, different blockchain in crypto. You can check, look at, you have Ethereum, Heco, Arbitrum, Avalanche, all these blockchains, they are supported by GoPlus security. That's all the tokens that are under those blockchain. It will detect whether they are good for you or not. Let's take for example now. You have let's say let's pick a particular coin. Who can help me get RCA contract address? Paste it on our group. Can anyone do it for me?
Boss, what do you say?
Can you get me any contract address at all? Do you guys know what contract address is?
Which coin?
Okay.
Contract
Is it the
address?
same thing as,
Anyone?
is it the same thing as wallet address?
No, contract address is different
Contract
from
address
letter.
on IM token.
Okay, let me show you something. Let me do it. I'm going to add this RCA CoinGecko RCA. I'm going to do this contract. Can you see contract there?
Yes.
I want to copy this. I'm copying it. That is the contract address, or like the name of the token. So now I'm going to paste that contract address here. That contract address represents the token.
Okay.
You understand, right?
Yeah.
CoinGecko is your site where you go and do research on different tokens. Now I've taken the contract address of the token. I paste it here. And I say security detect. Oh, we didn't copy everything. Sorry. That's why I said someone should do it, because I might make a mistake.
Ethereum.
You can actually do for Ethereum. No.
If you first of all open it.
Now I'm gonna do this.
Go.
And then this. Use Ethereum. Paste it. And then click here. This Ethereum blockchain. Click security detect.
Go at the kitchen.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
After clicking the security details, can you see what it's telling you?
Yes, sir.
It's telling you just one attention.
Yeah, 0 risk item 0.
0.
Good.
Attention item 1.
Yeah. So essentially, we can help you determine if your smart contract may be a scam, but there is no 100% guarantee. We are trying to help doing our best to detect all scams. You see
Okay.
the service Go Plus Security does for you, just like you and yours.
Oh yeah. Go and turn it there.
Detecting
No, no.
scams for
Go
you.
and throw it away.
And if you are
flash
wise
it.
enough, you should. You were saying something. Who is talking? Okay, I'm going to go on. If you are wise enough, you should know that in crypto, these things are like computer things, like computer codes that makes up those money, the crypto coins we are using. Everything is based on computer, and many of us, as an investor, it's good you know everything about your investments. And now, a lot of
Bring it
us
for
will
me.
invest without
Leave it,
knowing
leave it, leave it,
about.
leave it.
Oh, who is disturbing me? If you know you want to talk, off your mind. So when you're making when you're researching on tokens, you need to be sure about security, so you don't just throw away your money to just any project. And this tool is just here to help you check those codes. Sometimes they'll design a coin, and the owner of the coin is making mint functions. Mint function is that the person can mint more tokens. If a token, the way Nigeria now will produce more currency, and then the value of the one you're having in your bank will be reducing. The same way, some tokens, they keep their codes, they have an opportunity to mint more tokens. So if a developer makes such this thing, you should know the risks in what you are buying. Hope you are understanding me. Olumighty,
Yes, sir.
Come again, sir. Come again, sir.
Again, I'm going to kick you out of the class.
Please, sir, come again, sir.
Okay, so I was saying this, that
Mute function.
when you see, like here now, they told you just one attention about this particular coin we are checking, we are studying about now.
Okay.
The attention is maybe this mint function you're seeing here. And owners can change the balance.
From where?
You can see the contract owner has the authority to modify the balance of token at other addresses, which may result in loss of assets. So any particular coin you want to buy, make sure you check what developers they are doing. They can decide to, sometimes some of them, you see them, if you have done, I have a lot of tokens in some of my wallets that you buy, and they will tell you cannot sell everything at once. You can sell only 15% of what you have. And then the owners themselves, they'll be selling and be taking all the money.
Wow.
Effie.
A lot of
Effie,
things happen in crypto.
Effie is a typical example. Effie, EIFI.
Okay. This is one. I
August.
think a lot of people don't know all these things because they think crypto is just bread and butter. Come and buy, come and take money. It doesn't happen that way. There are lots of risk.
$3,000 went down the drain.
Hey,
Thank God I'm not the one saying it. You can see it. That is
wow.
how people lose money in crypto. So it's not all about, I'm just letting you guys know some privileged information. It's not all about go and buy, go and draw line and draw support and resistance. Those things are good. They will help you do your futures well. You know, it still has some risk, but you do your features to a good extent very well. But these things this is what will give you your mega box when you know how to select a good coin and get it smooth early. I don't know if the time today will be enough for me. This class today, I've not even gone up to half of what I have for you guys. So this is one. You can check other coins too. Let's say,
can you give us an example of those scam ones? Let's see what the Go Plus is talking about. It.
Give me another. What they call it? Give me another
contact address.
My contact address. And let me see. This is
English.
Give me another contact address. Yeah. So for now, this is like the only all-round security system that is really existing now. There are very few people talking about security. And that was why a lot of companies, big corporations, they are partnering with Go Plus. In the future, they will have coin. And trust me, their coin is going to push very well, very fast. Investors, big ones, are partnering. A lot of partners are there with them. You can see their this thing. Look at Token Pocket. Big companies, many of them are just there. Look at partners everywhere. Crypto.com, they put money. Avalanche, Harmony, how be KuCoin, New, Max, 7X Ventures, and there are still many still. In fact, before I started this class, I still saw some venture capitals. They are still on my DM. They are still asking me they want to partner. They want to bring, because they know the kind of project it is. It's not just your regular this thing. Once you are creating value, people will buy into your this thing. And if you create coin, it's going to move fast. That is how we get to know coin that will do very well. You see all these things happening. Okay, look at all this what do they call it? They're already using Go Plus security. So a lot of people in Africa here were just there closing eye, staying on the receiving end. You better start using all these things so you'll be on, as in kind of forward above the normal people. So you can see Token Pocket, they have almost 3.5 million users. They started using it. If you open Token Pocket, you see Go Plus security powering all their trades. So most of these things, most companies now, they're coming in. So what are we saying? This is how you get to know get to pick new projects that are going to do very well. Who is giving me contract address? Do you have anyone? Let's do one more
in the chat
example.
box, Coach.
On the chat.
On the chat box?
Yes.
Who sent it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm seeing so many. Sharon, Abi, Scar, no, I can't even. Okay, let me start with your own first of all. Okay, now let's see it. Which blockchain is that one? Scar.
It's an Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum.
Ethereum. Okay, now I'm pasting it. Good. I say check. I'm scrolling down. Is Matic. Can you see how they told you it's a trusted token, contract address code verified, no proxy. That is to tell you they have not put any means, any way to go and modify the codes. Maybe it is steal people's money. They cannot mint any this thing. Matic is a good this thing. No function found to retrieve ownership. See, they did not create any code in any way that they want to come and still change the owners of the project. The owners cannot change balance. These are most of the ways people steal money. But there is something that is a bit fishy about Matic. The token has a hidden owner's address. They just hide the owner's address. But it's not a really major issue. So it's just, so people can still use Matic. It's not so much of a risk. So these things are just there to tell you what the level of security a particular token has. So you can see how Matic has been explained now. So that is the security level of Matic. So which other token? Who else has dropped? Let's do. Sharon, which of the blockchain, which of the network?
Ethereum.
Ethereum, okay. Now I'm checking. Not a contract address. Are you sure it's a contract address you sent? Are we your wallet address? I mean contract address. I think that one is not a contract address. Someone should send the last one. After this one, I'm not checking again. Sharon, your own doesn't look. You see, it's not a contract address. Sharon, where did you copy it from? Am I talking to myself? Hello, can you guys still hear me?
Yes, we can still hear you, Coach. I don't know where Sharon is going to. We can hear you, Coach.
Okay, I need one more contract address before I just pass this area. Go to the next thing. So you can see there are lots of other functions. Token security API. If you are developing a wallet or something, you can discuss with us. We'll send you. You can use our security. Like we can give you our services free of charge, just like giving you an antivirus system that will be helping you protect your users. That's why people rush it, because it is helping the crypto ecosystem to become safer. So that is how it is. So no other contract address. Let me go and look for one again. Like you guys don't know how to look for token. So let me look at
There is one inside the chat.
Okay, I'm coming. Self-frame. I just copied for self-frame now. Let me do my own first. Self-frame on Ethereum. You can do on different blockchain, Arbitrum, every one of them. So this one is very, very safe. You can see at no risk at all. You can see everything is good about Self-frame. They did a very good work, and they did not create any way to steal people's money. So Self-frame is a good risk-free coin that you can buy. Then now your research doesn't end here. My dear, when I see, I just saw this name, and it just reminds me of a lot of the time we buy a coin and you cannot sell it back. Honeypot, that's what they call it. Honeypot. You know what honeypot is, right? Who have had honeypot before?
Honeypot.
So everybody, I've not heard of honeypot before. Guys,
Not
guys
at
are
all.
funny. When
I've heard of it. I've heard of it.
Is it a coin?
No.
I've heard of it, sir.
Okay, good. So that's one thing in crypto. You buy a coin and you cannot sell it back. It's like you've gotten into a honeypot and then you can't come out again. That's how it is. Honeypots, scammers, that's the name we call a lot of the things scammers do. You buy something and you can't sell. You buy it, they increase the slippage in such a way that you won't be able to, you can't sell and make anything. So they have more than 100 ways we have discovered that scammers use. So it's risky, very, very risky for a user that is just, a regular user that doesn't have information to go into crypto, and then you start losing money because you don't know a lot. You don't know a lot. Look at information that is coming here. They are telling you the number, how the holders of the coin is. I always teach these things because in a way that people you understand it in a practical way, not just what they call it, theories of physics, like we are doing physics that we don't know what we have to use it. This is practical. So you can see it. When you have time, go and play with these sites, play with it, and you'll be able to understand. There are lots of things, many, many things that these people, they provide solution to. A lot of things, even for developers, they help you, give you good cutting edge standards that you'll be using to create your projects. So these are a lot of things they do, and they're already making their money even without coin. Unlike some people that when they want to create coin, the first thing they are looking at is how to go and raise funds and then pack money from people. But this one, the services is already bringing money. People use the services already and pay for it. So that's
So
the thing.
how about Maker, sir? Maker, there's a coin called.
Okay, you will send something to the chat. Let me see now. Sorry, chat. Who has sent? No, this thing is not looking like a normal contract address. So, Fistos, are you the one that sent this?
Yeah, I'm the one that sent it, and that's OP. That's OP. I'm the one that sent it. That's OP.
OP with this plenty zero is looking like what do they call it? This there's something we used to do then in Binance. This thing. Let me see.
It just came like that.
Okay, don't worry. Which blockchain is that?
Use my own. The one I wrote be P20 on that.
Okay, Love Canada.
Alright.
Okay, I'm using it now. Your own coin has three risks. You can see that it's telling you that 3 risks with red sign. Okay. Be very careful with that very project. Honeypot risk.
Hey,
100%.
100% honeypot. Above 10%
So
may
tax
consider a high tax
100%.
rate.
Of Canada, I hope you are safe.
Now this kind one, the money go sink. Oh.
But this one is writing airdrop scam.
So
where did the airdrop scam come?
Now this kind one, a place of
Other
no
is
return.
airdrop sound. Are you seeing it, sir?
Okay.
Airdrop scam. Are you seeing it?
If you give access to this to your wallet, you might lose all the other of your assets. Join.
Yes.
I've been there before. I know how it feels. You can take somebody's life. If you they collect your money.
So which coin name is this one now? What is the name of the coin?
Love Canada, I can answer also. What is the name? Minarium. Look at the name there.
Okay.
It's Millennium BSC. I saw it in my trust wallet. I did not buy it, but the thing is that I cannot even I can't how do I say it? I can't withdraw the money. It's just there.
And you are seeing like $20,000, Abi? Abi $1 million.
I'm saying like $600 and something.
Free money.
You're a millionaire.
Sorry, sir. This Go Plus Security, is it on Play Store?
Oga, please. How do you see about what's it called? This our Zuga Coin project. What do you say about it, sir?
The contract address, let's check it.
Bring contract address of Zuga.
I'm not going to comment. Bring your contract address,
Oh yeah,
let's check
bring
it.
contract address of Zuga. Let's see Zuga.
Sir, out of IPC Cloud.
Bring your contract address, let's put it here.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So what of IPC Cloud?
Who is disturbing us? These babies, they don't have chill today. What is happening?
The Go Plus Security, is it on Play Store?
GoPlusLabs.io. I'm going to paste it here.
But give us the website of Go Plus on our group so that we can download it.
Yes,
I need this app.
What you do is this: download the wallet. The wallet is a very secured wallet, but it doesn't end there. The GoPlusLabs.io is what what is powering the wallet. That's what most other projects use. The main thing about GoPlus is their security system. Every other wallet, like you can see what they call it here. You can see these guys, Token Pocket, they are also wallets. What do they call it? Many projects, they use this security system. So the main thing, Mars, CoinBrain, Leafy Finance, Q3, Swap, BitKeep, all these people, they are using it. They are using the same GoPlus system.
GoPlus
security. It's just like an antivirus. They work from behind. They don't really have let's say app. But the only app one of their let's say children let's say app they produce is Go Pocket Wallet. You can download it. You can use it instead of your Trust wallet. It's a non-custodian wallet. You have your seed phrase, you have all those things, but the difference there is that it has security. It saves you from many scams.
Boss, drop the link in the group so that you can download it.
Okay. Have you seen the?
Oh yeah, bring the Zuga now. Let's.
Okay. Are you okay? Okay, I'm going to send the link.
Please, there's a question I want to ask. Are you the answer?
Who is this?
Please,
Zama
Colette.
Colette. Zama Colette, what is the problem? What is giving you BP?
Confusion everywhere.
Are you the answer?
Zama Colette.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is causing the BP now? Tell us before you get
No,
BP.
I mean the coins that people have bought that have risk, and you are discovering the risk now, sir.
No, I'm not even done. We have not touched half of what I have for you guys to do. What do we do?
Wahala be like bicycle.
Our time is up already. What do we do?
Sir, please, what of IPC Cloud?
Sir, please, if you can continue, there's no problem, brother.
Bring contract address. No need to call
I'm not
name.
saying you should bring contract address, and you are asking ICPU.
Sir, I just posted a contract address in the chat. Can you check?
Lady boss.
Oh,
okay, lady boss. Okay. Hope your address will be a bossy address. Let's see you.
I just saw a random. Let's just check if it's a good one or not.
Okay, let's just check.
Lady
Please
boss,
bring. Let's check the Zuga.
I got that from Gecko.
I've not seen your message,
It's in the chat.
Hello, sir.
It's in the
chat on WhatsApp.
Hello, sir.
Patience. My name is Patience. Patience Jimo is in the chat.
Sorry.
Hello, sir. Can you check this one for me, please?
Zoom chat or our normal group? Where?
Zoom chat.
I can't see.
Scroll past it, sir.
Eh?
You have scrolled past it. Check down. Okay, check up. Yeah, that's it.
Basically.
Where you have PJ.
Go up a little bit.
Like this?
No, calm down. Oh, God.
PJ, that's it. With the yellow. Yes.
Okay, PJ.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's go and check Lady Boss.
Lady Boss. Let's see what it is.
I have no idea what it is, so let's see.
Lady Boss, we are coming for you right now. Is that Ethereum or BSC?
I don't know. I got it from Gecko. CoinGecko. Stop now. I got it from CoinGecko.
Wahala.
Oh, God.
Lady Boss, let's see if it will work on BSC first of all.
All right. That's Pocket Pool.
I don't think they said it's not a contract address to Lady Boss.
That's what I saw there.
Okay. RUPL, Rocket Pool.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I know this coin. I know it's Rocket Pool, just like kind of a chain link kind of coin or so. I think I know it long ago. I used to Rocket Pool. One of my influencers used to shout Rocket Pool, Rocket Pool. Okay. It's not a very bad coin. It's been there for a while, but they have mint function. You can see one attention mint function. Look at the contract will contain additional insurance function, which could maybe generate a large number of tokens, resulting in significant fluctuation of token price. It is recommended to confirm with the project team whether it complies with token insurance instruction. Are you guys seeing how we are protecting everybody?
Yes.
Excuse me,
You
sir.
should clap on for Go Plus security. Too much.
Go plus Abiano.
Excuse me, sir.
Where is the Zuga contract at this now?
Hello, sir.
Because I
Hello,
learned that
my
some
Oga.
people have about 1,000 Zuga coin.
Hello, Oga.
Can you
Please,
please-
what do you make of Zuga coin? Have you heard of Zuga coin?
Please
Bring the
send
contract address.
address.
Contract address, Ekosi.
The elder brother of GDC.
Sir, please, can you check marker for me? Can you please check marker for me?
You can use marker again now.
There's a coin called Maker. Yeah, Maker.
Okay, Maker DAO.
Yeah.
Maker DAO looks solid now. Those ones, they might not have any serious concern.
Boss, go and check my own now. I think
we are going to end here for today. We'll continue.
Boss, you must check this my own. Let me confirm.
But are you not going to check what Zuga before you go?
Zuga people, they don't even have confidence to propose their
the senior brother of TBC.
So is it from Igbo Jude?
Yes, sir.
Igbo Jude.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
All right, let me check your own. On which blockchain, Ethereum or BSC?
BSC.
Okay, let's go to BSC. But we have other blockchain, you know, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Phantom, Chronos, all that. They are all covered. So Chronos is what is crypto.com, their blockchain. And if you are using things like this, you are going to get information about things about the blockchain. You know why you are buying a particular product. When you use advanced apps like this, you get to know the reason why you are doing something. You see that makes people lose a lot in this crypto industry because they don't know anything and they are lazy about what you are putting your money in. You are not even there. You don't want to get information. A lot of people, I know some of my friends, what they want, they'll just tell you, I beg, you can tell me what to buy. Just tell me what to buy. I don't want to be stressing. Tell me what to buy. When it's time to sell, I might not even tell you, and then you still lose. So what is the point? Why not do the work? Put in the work, job, money. Okay, I don't know what this coin is. Let's detect. 1, 2, ready, go. Matic again. Why are you bringing Matic again now? We talked about Matic before. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, please send the one I sent on that.
This guy. Who again? You sent it where?
Sir, please, do you say we should download the Go Plus? Or we should go from which side?
Go Pocket. Go Pocket is their wallet. But you can use any wallet that supports Go Pockets, Go Plus security. Wallets that support Go Plus security includes you can see Token Pocket, Mass, CoinBrain, Avedex, Bitscape, all this one. Go Pocket is also one of
KuCoin,
the.
do KuCoin support them? KuCoin.
KuCoin, they're just like, yeah, they support it in the level of their investors. They are they invest their money too. Yeah. So like you can see investors, KuCoin is there, KuCoin Ventures. A lot of them, they put their money.
So if I enter into KuCoin now, I want to go to Go Plus now. How will I go? I want to
No, you
help us
cannot access Go Plus from KuCoin. Look at, you want to check anything, any of your coins, whether it's good or it's bad. Go and click go and type gopluslabs.io.
gopluslab.io. This one
Yeah.
on top. This one on top of that that you search. Okay.
Yes.
Is it in Chrome? In Chrome.
Yes, on Chrome. Then you see it. You see this thing there.
Okay.
Then you'll be able to search. You do all these things that I'm doing now. You'll be able to do it.
Yes.
Search for any coin, any this thing that you want.
Okay. So I want to ask a question, sir. Is this new coin, all these new coins that are coming out now, are they all in CoinGecko and Coin Market Cap? Are they all there? All these new tokens that are coming out now.
Whether they are on CoinGecko.
All of them, are they all in CoinGecko and Coin Market Cap? All of them, are they there?
They are.
Or would they meet any standard before CoinGecko will carry them as a coin? Do you understand me?
CoinGecko, all the coins that are coming up, you see, that's why I always tell people learn the process. Like me now, these things that like everyday work, I get people coins that come to me, they say they want to list on CoinGecko. We have fees, I do it. I'm like a consultant to different projects. We'll go and arrange for it. CoinGecko lists you. They sometimes it's even free of charge, but you have to meet up some conditions and they'll list your project. Simple. Okay. But not all the coins. Some coins are there in the market already and it is already trading. That's what I wanted to teach you guys, how to spot them out quickly before people get into it. Quick, on time. They are solid, they are good, but maybe CoinGecko has not listed it. Any day they are listing on CoinGecko, boom, the people, a lot of more eyes comes to it, more demand comes. The next thing the coin will do maybe 3x that day.
Right.
And then
I think we need that knowledge. Very, very good. That is a very good knowledge.
So this is not just you are not just here to learn TA or Go Plus security or Binance or other things. I'm teaching you guys valuable things. In fact, people should go and add Teraf to collect more money. Good night, guys.
So there is what I want to ask. Have our TA finished?
TA has not finished though. This week is just beginning. I'm going to teach you guys till the weekend. So yeah, for it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Good night.
No, hold on. I put something on the
night
chat.
I want is go and tell Raf that you want to add more money to his money.
Wait.
Don't worry. When we begin to make money, we will still partner now. We have so many. Young millionaires.
We bail every one of us.
This group will provide young millionaires. I believe so now. With future. Yes, that is what I believe now. No, we are not going to stay like this now. We are not going to this. I believe that this thing, it will settle us. So you know that this thing will
A
settle
lot
us
of people
now.
will make money. You know why I believe so? You guys are learning in the right time, and investments. You just start keeping your money. You start investing gradually. Let me tell you, you make money. You make money if you just be consistent.
Okay, sir.
Consistent, you make money. You will make money. Very good money.
I posted something on the chat. You posted it on the WhatsApp group, but I didn't understand what it is. So I posted it in the chat now to get clarification on it.
Okay. So this class, people want it to be 2 hours.
We started late now. We started late, sir.
Next we'll continue. Can we? We started late. So.
We started late. Network.
You want to run me 2 hours? Please, let's rest. Chiamaka, this will be first thing we'll do tomorrow. Post this tomorrow and ask me. I'll answer you.
Right.
Okay, then secondly, what is 10x, 5x? So this is
5x like 5 times your money, 10 times your money. 10x is 10 times your money. Yeah.
No, thank you very much.
Good night.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
See you guys tomorrow.
You did not help us check our Zuga coin. You did not check our
Zuga people, they are not confident enough.
Yeah.